Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, admin privileges in DLS and an active Gmail account with a map enabled. Once done, check whether Gmail uses two-factor authentication. If so, generate an app password to avoid login blocks. Next, gather server settings, SMTP, Gmail, COM and a map. Gmail, COM with ports 587 for SMTP and 993 for a map, write them down. These values let DLS communicate reliably with Gmail. Now move to the integration page in DLS. You now configure the integration inside DLS. Choose Add New Gmail Account and enter the Gmail address. Then select OAuth for seamless token refresh, or paste the app password if using 2FA app passwords. After authentication, specify a map and SMTP ports you recorded, set sync frequency to balance timeliness versus load, and map Gmail folders to DLS mailboxes. Make sure to assign permissions, who can send, archive, or delete, because this controls data flow and user responsibilities across the system. Finish by performing thorough tests. Send and receive messages, verify folder sync, and confirm that user permissions behave as expected. Once tests pass, monitor DLS logs for any authentication or connection errors. These reveal whether tokens expired or app passwords were rejected. If you see auth failures, reauthorize via OAuth or regenerate the app password and update DLS. One key troubleshooting tip: avoid enabling less secure apps. Use OAuth or app passwords to maintain security and keep integration stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.